Chomuriria chitariki ninye omotienyo gatatu mwaka w'ekirubire n'emirongo ebere na inye na mange agendrete imeyense ichwa Kenya asomora ibwense Dr. William Ruto abagakobeka SAE asomoswada orachikwene kingachi county ngosirwa chireboigo litikuliana liyo abanyagitari imeyense ichwa Kenya anemono ase county ya Kisii bawaochaka omugirobo na manga agendrete imeyense ichwa Kenya asikolinde elitane nkuru kwa job MAANGI notokoba tukubatirana nere gwetera ase omuno imanyirio nigakoro kwa LYDIA MOSE yokwene kingachi bichechi boigo na mario ingo wikerare asenje wikera nigakoro kwa Sara Mumanyi nkwendande asike getari geke inkoirana nimbe inko mamanyi naraliaya aberga koba ime yense ya Kenya anena mono ase orogongo rwa Gusii. Wanchumurelia on Ndizi TV na boko ende kutobuati wetera aso mtandao ito Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital asense moya YouTube Ndizi TV News na wetera ase mtandao www.ndizitv.net asoto nyora CHINSA emeronge bere na inye amatuko atano na bere ye wiki AMAYIA niko tuko yachaka kurua ase county ya Kisii ase abakoli meremo anene mono kurua ase sector bachenu kurua ase kiombekeria kyabanyagitari Kenya Medical Practitioners and Dentist Union KMPD na boigo kelia kiaba clinical officers kia Kenya Union of Clinical Officers baba gochaka omugiro ase keriba kwemurunganiria ne serikali gotaikirania ebirero byabo eyemaga yokorwa amatuko 18 elinde serikali ebe gotegerera ebirero byabo kolende serikali tebeti gotegerera ebirero byabo ase boigo bakwemurunganiria ogochererwa kwa bwene bwabo anene mono ase omuriki obo monene David atela abagagwa kwa ase ense moya Nairobi chingaki alekora omugiro ase ense meyo abanyagitari abo mbaba okora omugiro ime ye county ya Kisii anene mono ase baba korobekana nabo igo kwemurunganeria obokoleri obobe anene mono ne serikali gotategerera ebirero byabo.
Healthcare inadidimia. Serikali ya Kisii imekataa specialties. Serikali ya Kisii imekataa kulipa hawa madaktari on time, which means madaktari wako demotivated. Serikali ya Kisii imeamua pia wakati hawa madaktari wanataka kuongea inawatumia vitisho. Tunataka turudishe udaktari into professionalism. Wacha madaktari wafanye kazi ya kutibu wagonjwa, kuona wagonjwa, kupatiana madawa, kufanya upasuaji, lakini sio kupiga siasa ndani ya hospitali nani atahudumia wagonjwa. Kwa hivyo tunasema leo kuna mgomo ambao unaanza. Huu mgomo unaanza kwa sababu
asengana erengete abanyagitari niko bakona na Ndizi TV bakora uno munyakerogo bwekyombe gyake MPDU omuliki bwekyombe ekyo asamaleta agre orwenyo na boigo Vincent Bwanchete oyore omuliki bwekyombe gekumulekera obwene bw'abanyagitari anene mono asekerengo clinical officers mbate bambale anyakwirana asemerebo ekero eserikali county ya Kisii rabeko barangeli na boigo kuigwana na asabono babiri bagusaba serikali ye county ya Kisii gotegerera ebirero byabo batarachi kwirana ase emeremo
era tubwata mugiro gwegasi ojagete sasti chabutu natoka enda kuandamana kuruke TRA to ende assembly to ende public service board to irane se office governor for petition about the welfare of our members do have a strike notice on 19th mbara kora kende kuruelio tubwata magani 10 totaite bakore nambe ya mo promotions and designations employment of more healthcare workers arafu toche arbitrary transfers abantu baito bali kwenda school jingo sanjiro chitara kanu chipese chikiringo nginye nanda bara bande healthcare workers at the same time insecurity at the same time intimidations of union officials muna into kwa nega to akiri transfer to kana to kwa nega transfer lakini let the county not transfer. So amagana raja among them to nate.
All right.
Wiki ile tendo ikarasta lakini kuruwe saidi serikali mbabu ate anything for us. Toko basawa bono tolerate to we are always available turangeli tuikarase with honesty. Torena ki turakonyu wana wantu
Chukuru au chiabere chiko tabokia omutimo kona gutaka kuigora ase etamu entangani enchunda ya kabirbono nigo omo MCB ward ya Bugusero Vincent Abuga aberega gusaba abarayi gotiga okungusana na korende kobeka siasa echimbebo maega na kobeka amagendero bosio anemono kwene kingango sira bale abana banyore chibasari ime county ya Kisii na boigo obwaga chiwe chipara na boigo ebirasi bya ECD aseboigo aberega ukwanira engana egendrete ime county ya Kisii anene mono igoro yomuswada buku mwaka isiko omokonyo mugabana bwe county ya Kisii Dr. Robert Monda asebono aberega gusabanga tigabarayi babwatirane nabo igo kwene kinga abamenyi be county ya Kisii nkonyora bale amagenderero.
As a very I know as from Tuesday onwards, going to a school. Lakini ono liswali anali nenkwe wori ndinga. Abana ngwe na bari school. Intuna bayiburi cyo sanjire baga niri kuri guche pasa. I remember governor nagende around ka abana chifomu abayiburi chifomu baga ichuri. We expected by now etoge USA chavere tayari rinde turikira abana chicheck. Wakwena kuri aftamu bakwa guchi school. It is unfortunate thing agwegirari tukuri rero nturaba epoko rikira bayibori chichek. Chisabali ejiga che impeachment ya monda nchiko tokonya. Oni gendogera tokonya nukuri yenjiranga gitokonya abana baende school. Turigi yenjiranga gitoko agajira abanyabyasara chipara. Erinde babe epoko transport ibintu byabasengerere ndonge. Tobe epoko agajira abana ba ECD biras. Erinde abana kembure cyangwa otwa takwamba kwatasa kwiga makubago somi
Lete asengana erengete chisemini gobono serikali ya rule eira gochikolika aborokia babete bagosomia anene mono inseyo murubiri o internship as chisukuru che secondary choboroso junior schools abo babete bakoba bagosomia omwaka oyetani miaka yabere korumaga kagukwana ase ensemo ya bondo omunyakirogo bwe budget ase ebunge enene onaboigo oromo bunge wensemo ya Haru Ndindi Nyoro ni gaberega otabaguna nige serikali bono ya bekere chibilioni emerongo ebere na ISANO nemo rinde konyoranga kwene kinga ngosira bale chisemi aseboigo aberega kumwakera ekoko omuraibo mubwa Azimio Raila Odinga anene mono asukurwanerera ekirogo kya Africa Commission aseboigo aberega otabanga nebwendeta bare bono babeke chito bauti chiabo ensemo na kwene kinga nkobeka bale bosio amagendro erinde abamenyi na boigo aba Kenya imense itu ya Kenya bae bakonyora agokonyeka
kazi in the last year, I think even the other year wakapewa internship ambao wote ni 46,000. Wale walituchukuliwa kwanza ambao ni 26,000 interns in our JSS. We have allocated 26 billion Kenya shillings to confirm them and give them permanent and pensionable terms.
We are very, very happy that the government and the president are supporting him. But there are still some discordant voices. Unasikia, particularly in Kiambu, not in Muranga, there are two, not all. Wanasema one or two things that may not be helpful to the peace and unity of this country. I want to urge you to work hard kwa milima. Tell them this is not a party project. Baba going to AU is a Kenyan project that we must all embrace and we must all support. And I thank you that at least you are supporting it. And I thank you that the other people are also supporting.
Abono tukuskabusio asengana erendegete oborende naboigo siasa nigo abaraikuruase obomobwa azimiola umoja babere bakomochia serikali asege tambo kirogyo gwanchira abanyanyimbo bensia Kenya kogenda ase ense ya Haiti ase okoreta omorembe bakora unomurai gwekiama gya DAP Kenya Eugene Wamarwa naboigo mwangi wa iria oyokabeire omugavana omukorogwe county ya Murang'a bono nigo babeire bakomochia serikali asege koleke asebono babeire bakomusaba omosemia omonene bwa serikali Justin Muturi kwene kingango semiare serikali buya igoro yenganiye maiga boigo nikigambiro gokana enganiye aseboigo babeire bakomochia serikali ase gokina wekerengo kyobugima nagosaba serikali kwene kinga ngoira nikere obugimanse naboigo abakenya nkonyora bale chinga kichinyororo ekigero bagendrete na magimabo abotambe.
The deployment ya polisi wetu kwenda Haiti, court imesema hiyo inafanywa kinyume na katiba yetu. So bana JB, leo nikiwa nyumbani kwenu na kuomba the lawyer uliokula kiapo, na sisi wanasheria tunasema let the truth and let justice prevail even if the heavens fall. Ambia bosi yako vile umwambia kwa housing levy, mambo ya kupeleka watoto wa Wakenya waende wawawe Haiti, na hakuna serikali halali kule Haiti. In contract you must have the capacity to contract for there to be a legal contract.
Walikuwa wameweka kodi kwa bidhaa ambazo zinatolewa kwenye mashamba zetu. Wakasema kila shilingi, bidhaa za shilingi 100 kutoka kwa shamba ambazo unauza, shilingi 5 itakuwa
uskabosinigo umurai wense Dr. William Ruto abagakobeka ese yomoswada orachi kwene kichi county nkonyora chire ogosirwa korwa ase serikali nabuigo kukinya chibesa baba kwena naguchia ase chi county ase bono chi county chirabe chikonyora chibilioni ibere chibilioni emeronge bere na kianda ase boigo ingana bagatebanga nigo erachi kwene kinga kobwatera nankoro igachi chi county naboigo serikali enene na boigo okorwa ogosaba kwaye okonene gochiase abagabana kwene kinga nkoligi bale chinchera chinde chukuganya na mangana likali okogenda ase bigambero engana ekobage gotenenia emeroberi na boigo abagako basabanga bono uchukubwaterana elinde kwene kinga aba Kenya anene mono bali bakora une serikali enene na boigo serikali ye county nkonyora bale ogosirwa ase obugima bwabo
in government. First, let me also congratulate the Council of Governors for working with us and the National Assembly and the Senate to make it possible for us to agree on moving these bills forward. The decision by the Council of Governors to withdraw court matters that had become a stumbling block on this issue is a very welcome development, and it goes to the spirit of both levels of government working together and both levels of government working also with the legislature so that we can find mechanisms of us working together without the acrimony that comes with taking ourselves to court. It is our collective decision to find ways of working together harmoniously, finding consensus on matters.
Waziri woborendi weme Professor Kithure Kindiki nigo bona beriga korwa ekuro entindi naboigo gotebanga nigo bono serikali erachi kogendereria esegi yokorwania oboibi bwetugo obwabere bokomente kana niga yakwana chingaki atalera county ya Meru anene mono ase orobebe egatie county na Meru ase oboibi bwabere bokorokana komente kana ase amatuko abwangoiga ase kolinde abarayibense mebaba kumusaba omwaziri woborendi bwime kwene kinga nkoliga bale chinchera chinde chokugayana engane kolinde talinga ase gotumika chinguru ase okorwania obwibyo bubwagendereire ensemo iyo.
any other area that is experiencing repeated livestock raids and the death of the citizens of this area from criminals who come to take their cattle. Make it your priority security number one. And we, together, will work and eliminate this problem in the shortest time possible.
We've been requesting for an operation, especially in Isiolo and Samburu, because that is where we believe our cattle are. Indeed, the Isiolo and Samburu leaders met and they made a statement. They said that they would like to ask their people to be given an opportunity to ask their people to return the livestock from Meru, that they had stolen from Meru. They said they would not prefer an operation, they would prefer an amicable settlement of this matter.
Nchumuriria orobochi urukurwase county ya Meru no togwikira omweri wa mang'ana ya CHINSA ISANO na IBERE chabono mugaso kolendekera chikoraga CHINSA Nyanchama rogoba mochikumirana nere Dorcas Kemuma abiga kwene kinga mwabiri mokonyora mang'ana yo asenche ubenge bunara abiga gwatika gwikira chinga kechi retera nenkuru kwa job MAANGI no twabere tukubwatira nere linde kwene kichibiche chibo igo namalio gingo wikirare asenche robekera nigakoro kwa Sara Momanyi oyone kinkonyoro amang'ana ya gwetera ase omuno imenyerero nigakoro kwa LYDIA MOSE umwanchu muri Ndizi TV na batakeire uburiria obuya imya Ndizi TV nabwo obwansu bwo mu Gusii.